Acholi, northern Karamoja, and the areas near and around the Albert Nile are some of the geographic places that form the sub-region that's commonly known as Northern Uganda. For almost 2 decades, Northern Uganda drew attention from all over the world as a place of war and destruction. Despite this rather somber background, Northern Uganda has exhibited a high level of resilience, conquering its dark past to become a major destination for leisure and business. Today, the region is bustling with glamour, with a rich blend of wildlife, beautiful vegetation, expanses of freshwater bodies, and captivating scenery. This beauty is punctuated by a distinct cultural and historical heritage that provides boundless options for the curious traveler and opportunities for investment in tourism. A prospective visitor to northern Uganda can easily access the region through a wide range of entry routes. When traveling by road from Uganda's capital city, Kampala, the main route is via Bomba Road through Nakasongola, where one can make a stopover at Ziwa Rhino Sanctuary. Alternative connections from the eastern or western circuits can also be used by travelers commuting from the east or west of the country. Air transport services are also readily available at any traveler's preference. The Albertine region derives its name from this lake, Lake Albert. It is the source of the Albert Nile, a part of the Great River Nile. The Albert Nile flows 210 kilometers northwards from the northern tip of Lake Albert into the Sudan at Nimule, where the Nile continues its journey into the Mediterranean. Until 1964, a vessel called the SS Corindon sailed between Port Butiaba and the Congo. The Corindon connected passengers to a stern wheeler called the Lugard II that sailed between Pakwach and the Sudan border. Opportunities exist here to revive similar investments in form of cruises and houseboats, connecting guests to camping and lodging facilities like Ara Fishing Lodge in Adjumani. Cultural trails, sport fishing, rafting, and scenery. Encounters with rare bird life as well as relics of colonial scramble, including forts like Patiko in Gulu, Wadilai in Nebi, Alikwa Belgian Monument in Maracha District, and Dufile in Moyo. The coming of religion to northern Uganda was linked to the strategic importance of the Nile during the period of the scramble and partitioning of Africa. The 10th of March 1910 saw the arrival of missionaries in West Nile at Omach, Junam County, who started missions in the districts of Arua, Nebi, and Moyo. Wipala Martyrs Shrine on Puder district was also established by missionaries. It is here that 2 young catechists, Gildo Erwa and Daudi Okello, were killed on the 18th of October 1918. Annual celebrations are held here each year to commemorate the events. Located along the banks of the Albert Nile, Ajai and East Madi Wildlife Reserves are perfect stopovers to break the journey between Murchison Falls and Kidepo Valley National Parks. At the turn of the 19th century, Ajai was sanctuary for the northern white rhino. By the early 1980s, Ajai's rhino population had taken a toll for the worst, resulting into total extinction. Uganda Wildlife Authority, in collaboration with Rhino Fund Uganda, has since taken pragmatic steps for the reintroduction of the rhino. The Ajai Game Reserve hosted the World War II British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, who visited Uganda in 1907, and USA's former President Theodore Roosevelt, who visited in 1909. Further north are more attractions for development. These include Lipan in Kitgum District, Tin Padwat in Lamor District, and Lomonga in Moyo District. Most of these habitats were traditional hunting grounds, and communities are receptive to harnessing the tourism potential of these sites.
Very freely, you can even come and sleep up here. No one would even, not your problem possibly would be the mosquitoes. With the aid from the tourism ministry, we believe this place will even be much more exciting than otherwise.
Located northeastwards in Kabong District, bordering Sudan and Kenya, is Kidepo Valley National Park. Its rugged bluff and sparse plains provide spectacular scenery reminiscent of the explorer's quintessential Africa. The park is dotted with wildlife that freely roams the plains, coming up close to the lodges and campsites. Kidepo offers a host of over 470 species of birds. Game drives, hiking and visits to the nomadic Karamojong and the remote Ik tribe in the park presence could also provide a new experience for anyone looking for adventure. Apoka Safari Lodge and Ngamuru Camp are readily available for accommodation. Uganda Wildlife Authority also provides camping facilities and budget hostel bandas at Apoka. The increasing number of tourists at Kidepo also provides further opportunities for investment. The region's beauty is also expressed through a variety of other landscapes such as Zoka Forest, the